Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to make YouTube automation videos with AI. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. And so the first step to create any video, or especially using the AI tools for this video and this topic today, we're gonna need to create a script, right? So in order to create a script, we're going to use the specific tool, ChatGPT. And we'll go to ChatGPT here, and we're going to write this one. I've already copied it, so I'm going to paste it here and click on Generate to get the script of the video itself. And this is the script. And then it's been done, we got the script. And here we go to Clipchamp. It's a website supported by Microsoft. And also they have an application from Microsoft Store that you can download. And then once you go here, we click on create a video and choose record and create, and then click on text to speech over here. We click on it. And here in this part, let's take any part of the script. Let's go back to ChatGPT. For example, we're gonna take, I think this is good enough. Okay, let's take this part here and get it on here on Clipchamp. Okay, so one more thing here, we can choose the character or the person. These are nicknames, but each name, for example, Oliver, it's a man, Amanda, woman, and so on. And then here, let's pick up voice pitch. Let's choose, for example, low here, and let's listen to the voice itself.
Hey there, football fans. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're taking a deep dive into the rich history of the world's most beloved sport, football. From its humble beginnings to the global phenomenon we know today, this is the story of how football conquered the world.
And this is how they're gonna speak. That's a sample, right? So once done, here we're gonna click on Save to Media, this button. As you can see, we got the voice here. This is the timeline. And then we're gonna click on Export and click on, for example, on this one. And then the thing is, we have the script, we have the tool that we can get the script from, which is ChatGPT. Also, we have the website, or better say the tool that we can use in order to text to speech, which is Clipchamp. One more thing is missed, we need a stock videos, right? So one of my favorite websites here, it's called pixels.com. We can come here in this pixels.com and we can search here in the search bar for a specific topic. For example, in this video I'm going to be using football topic, so I'm going to write in the search bar football here, and as you can see, we got multiple choices. We got viral videos we can choose from. These are free license videos, so there is no need to worry about the copyright, and also these videos are free as a price 100%, so we can use this website as a stock videos. And then we come here and we take the voiceover and right click here in order to separate the audio of the video, and then we're gonna remove this black screen, so we got only the voice here.
Football fans, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something.
Okay, sounds well. In here, these are the clips on the media section. We're gonna drag the clips ourselves here in the timeline. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so we're gonna drag the clips in the timeline here, in order to, to maximize the videos with the voiceover, also to let tracking on the voiceover to make it make sense and sounds very well as a video, which is gonna something, it's visual content, so we need to make it as simple and better that we can. And then here, the next step to make an intro, we'll go to Canva, and then here on the search bar, we're gonna search for YouTube video intro. And so once we're here on the search results, we're gonna see all these templates, right? So all these templates are for free and there's no any copyright about it, so we can pick up any one of these. So for example, I would go with this one. So I'm gonna click here and then I'll click on customize this template. And then once here, I'll go with elements and I'm gonna search for my topic. The thing is, I would like to put on the intro. So for example, my topic is football. So I'll go here on videos and I can pick up any video of these to put in the intro with my text. And so for example, I got this stock video, which is I like it so much. I'm gonna click on it and then I would change the words here and welcome to my channel to football history. because this is my topic, it's football history. Also, I can adjust the time here and maximize the duration of the video, for example 2 to 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and then click on share, download, and here I'm going to click on this button, and then I will go here and I'm going to drag the intro. I'm going to put it in the beginning of the video.
Hey there, football fans. Welcome back.
And then I go here on text, and then I can choose auto captions and choose this one to create an auto caption and wait a few seconds until the caption is created. And then once created, we can change the caption, we can adjust the caption, change the color, the font size, and so on. One more thing to do here, we can go to audio and we can pick up any audio or music from these ones on the library that can fit our video of the football. And then click on download, and we take the video here, drag on drop on our timeline, and if there's any copyright of the video or everything on YouTube, we can go back here and edit the video once again or change the music. And so before upload the video, you can go here on YouTube and make a similar search to your video to see some thumbnails and get inspired of thumbnails. And also you can check the keywords that the YouTubers or the other videos are using in order to know how to manage your video or your content on YouTube, which is for football right here. And so to create a thumbnail, go to Canva and search for YouTube thumbnails, and you'll have all these templates for free, the same as the intro. So let's choose, for example, this one. We click on it and then customize this template, and then wait a few seconds until it's opening. And then here you need to remove all the items of the thumbnail itself, and then go here in the elements, the same as video, right? And search for soccer or football. What you need to click on pictures or here photos, and then you're going to search for any one of these. So for example, this one, and then we need to adjust the picture itself to make it bigger or smaller, and that's how we can have a thumbnail to put on our video on YouTube. And so now I'm going to show you a 10-second sample for the video that we made together.
Hey there, football fans. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're taking a deep dive into the rich history of the world's most beloved sport, football. From its humble beginnings to the global phenomenon we know today, this is the story of how football conquered the world.
And that was all today's video. And also, I hope that you like this video so much. Please don't forget to like the video and to give us a subscription to the channel, because it's very important to us. Also, you can leave a comment down below in the comment section to let us know if the video is helpful. And thanks for watching, and have a good day.